Today we'll be cooking lamb fry. This is a kind of dry fried curry, not in a deep sauce. Beautiful spices. You're going to need a really nice lean cut of lamb for this one because we're going to fry it very, very quickly. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So we've got our lamb here. I've got about 400 grams of nice cut. It's a leg. It's mostly meat. There might be a couple of rib bones in there, but it's a beautiful, nice cut of lamb. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, teaspoon each salt and pepper, turmeric, and then 2 teaspoons chili powder, coriander, cumin powder. What we're going to do with a touch of oil, we're going to get that all in there and give it a mix. So just going to add a little bit of oil. You can use any oil you want. That's just to sort of bring it together, you know. We're going to go with salt and pepper seasoning, chili, turmeric, cumin and coriander powders, ginger garlic paste. Really simply, going to give that a little mix in there, and then I'm going to pop this in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Overnight. Fabulous, fabulous, isn't it? Okay, so look, there's our lamb that you saw me do earlier. Now, an hour minimum, couple of hours okay, overnight amazing. 1 tomato, that's just going to give a little bit of moisture to it. 1 cup of onions, fresh chili, the amount is entirely up to you. We're going to go here with 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Let's get to the cooker. So here we are at the cooker. I've got like 2 tablespoons of oil in there. I'm just using a sunflower oil. The heat is on high and I'm dropping in those cumin seeds. Just a few seconds in that really hot oil, and then we're going to drop in the seasoned lamb. For about 4 to 5 minutes, we're going to be throwing this around, stir frying it around. So keep it moving fairly often. Fabulous stuff. Next up, we're going to get that 1 cup of onion and drop that in. And again, we're going to go for another 4 or 5 minutes or so, stirring often. Very, very simple, this one. Those onions are cooking beautifully. Next up, we're going to add some fresh chili. The amount's up to you. I've slit mine down the middle and kept the seeds in. We're going to take that 1 tomato, drop that in, and again about another 4 or 5 minutes. Pretty much done. Delicious. Okay, and off goes the heat. Fabulous stuff. Now this is going to be cooked nicely because this is a really beautiful cut of lamb. And you kind of need to use that in this because it's kind of quite a quick frying thing. We're not sort of boiling it out or anything. Right, some coriander, cilantro. Nice big handful of that in there. 1 mix, job done. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That's a nice, easy, quick lamb or mutton fry. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment and I'll try and get back to you.